Hey guys, okay, so right now we're gonna do some of the intermolecular forces that we didn't cover so well that day. So what I read is that what I told you guys, ion is greater than ion dipole is greater than hydrogen bond, dipole, and the London diverse force or something like that, which is the same as saying the van der Waals force. Okay, so like I put in here, from the hydrogen bond up to the van der Waals, those are dipole forces. Okay, and I put the hydrogen bond is with nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. The dipole, those are when you are gonna have polar molecules, and the London force and the van der Waals force are non-polar. Okay, so with this being said, let's do 1239, which is saying what is the strongest interparticle force in each substance, and they give you CH3OH, CCl4, and Cl2. Okay, so let's start doing those. So the first one is, let me just put it here. Sorry, let's continue with this one. CH3OH. Then we got CCl4 and Cl2. Okay, so on the first one, I'm just gonna do it with these things. Okay, in the first one, you could do the Lewis structure, but it's not really necessary. So we look into this part. So we see that there is hydrogen on it. Okay, so we got a hydrogen here with the oxygen, and that's gonna form a hydrogen bond. So I'm just gonna put here a hydrogen bond. Okay, then for the carbon with chlorine 4, you can do the Lewis structure, which is CCl, Cl, Cl, and Cl. I'm not gonna put all the electrons because you know there are 7 around the chlorine, but you know that you can look into the chart of the electronegativity. I think, I'm not really sure, if this one is gonna go like this, and like this, something like this. There are arrows, right? Remember that we saw that? My arrows are not that pretty, sorry about that. But they are pulling apart each other in the opposite ways. So, like it is balanced. So I'm just gonna say that the no net dipole and taking a look in here, you can say this molecule is gonna be a non-polar molecule, right? There is no angle around, there is no lone pairs, so it's a non-polar. So taking in consideration around here on the top, the ones that are saying non-polar are going to be the London force, which is the same as saying the van der Waals force. So this one is going to be LDF, London disperse force. Okay. For Cl2, whenever you have a molecule which is the same, it's going to be a non-polar. Okay. If you do the Lewis structure for this one, it's gonna be the like this 7 Cl, you know, Cl. Both of them are pulling apart. I'm not gonna do the arrows because this drawing is kind of short. They are AA, and the same. It doesn't have an. It has a no net dipole. So it's gonna be a London disperse force or the van der Waals force. Okay, so they are telling you which one is the strongest. So we see that this one has a hydrogen bond and this is a polar molecule. Just in case they're gonna have some lone pairs here on the oxygen. You can draw it if you want to. I'm not gonna do it. Hydrogen bond is greater than the London diverse force, either for carbon with chlorine 4 or chlorine 2, right? So my answer is going to be my CH3OH. This is from the book, it's going to be the 1239. Stand down. Stand down. I'm going to do the next ones in next videos.